Good morning. This is your stats sensei, and this is the exit ticket here. The body weight of Somerset High School students is normal with a mean of 159. So we know we're normal. Mean of 159 and standard deviation of 25. So I'll write that down. Mean 159, standard deviation of 25. Draw and label a graph. Remember, we always have to draw a picture for this and calculate the probabilities. So what percent of the values are within the interval 137 to 185? So this is a normal distribution. So we're going to draw the normal curve. Our mean was 159. So I'm going to go ahead and put it here. That gives me my estimate to compare to. Then 137 happens to be below it. So there it is, labeled below. The 185 is above it. So it's going right here. So we're going to shade this. That is the area that we're interested in. They told us it was normal, so we'll use a normal CDF on the calculator. So norm CDF 137 to 185, because that's my lower and my upper. My mean was 159, and my standard deviation is 25. Lower, upper, mean, standard deviation. Second vars, normal CDF, lower 137, upper 185, mean 159, standard deviation happened to be 25. And by the way, these are made up numbers. So 66% of the students would be in that range. 0.6614 from the calculator, 4 decimal places, box it. What percent of the values are less than 135? So once again, we know it's normal because they told us that in the prompt. So our mean is 159. And we want less than 135. Well, 135 happens to be below, so that goes here. And we're shading this way. Well, they didn't tell us where to stop shading, so we have to go to negative infinity. Once again, norm CDF, negative infinity. Upper is 135, mean of 159, standard deviation of 25, lower, upper, mean, standard deviation. Second vars, norm CDF, negative 9 raised to the 99th, upper 135, 159 and 25, 0.1685. All right. What probability that a student weighs more than 185? So our mean is 159. And we know that 185 is above it. But it didn't tell us where to stop shading, so we're going to have to go to positive infinity. Norm CDF. Lower is 185. Upper, positive infinity. Mean, 159. Standard deviation of 25. Lower, upper, mean, standard deviation. Second vars, normal CDF, 185, 9. And we have that in, and we're going to go 4 decimal places, and that's 0.1491. 0.1491. Box our answers, and that's done. Appreciate you watching the exit ticket. This concludes this one, and we will see you on the next one.